how to set up free shipping on Squarespace. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply set up free shipping on Squarespace. Simply open up Squarespace and go to your account dashboard. Now from over here, click on commerce on the website that you guys want to add free shipping to. After that, click on go to commerce, and then now that's gonna take you over here. So now from over here on the left side, scroll down and then now click on shipping. As soon as you guys click on that, click on add shipping option, and then now from over here simply click on flat rate. You guys can click on flat rate, and then over here you guys can just simply type in free shipping, and then of course you guys can keep the amount as 0 and click on save, and now you will have a free shipping set up and customers will have to pay $0 to get their products shipped. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually add in free shipping on your Squarespace website. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.